wizard.
Alright, good morning everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. Hope you all had a great weekend. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Alright, now on Saturday's video, we were saying if we lost these levels, we could expect to come down to our previous day and daily VWAP. They have reset, but we did exactly that. We did exactly what we said we was going to do. And now we're coming down to our 68K low VWAP. On the 4-hour Market Cipher B, VWAP got rejected. Okay, the 1 hour deep waves, that VWAP shooting straight down, getting a red dot now. So I would be expecting lower prices. If we lose this 68K low VWAP, I would expect to come down probably to the spider line around 92K. You might get caught up here at the 786 right here. You are at the local golden pocket. You might get caught up at the 786, but I just feel like the quarter 4 VWAP and this 92K spider line are definitely in play. Now, if we want to see a bounce here, you're going to want some momentum waves on Market Cipher B, and you're going to want that money flow curving up, okay? If you want to see a bounce from these levels, but we did confirm that 3-week red dot on bear divs, not only bear divs on momentum, but money flow and VWAPs as well. So I would expect this to bring us down like we've seen in the past with the 3-week red dot. We see it bring us down every time. Every time we see it bring us down since 2018. Okay, this 3-week red dot has brought us down every time she's confirmed. So that's something to watch for. Let's go to the daily. We are getting the red dot on the daily. Now we could see bull divs here, or we could see this wave go under the zero line and give us a nice deep bottom around this previous this quarter 4 VWAP from last year if we are losing these levels. Now if we are getting a bounce, which probably not likely at this 68K low VWAP, probably not likely with just that VWAP coming down, your RSIs are coming down. But if we are going to get a bounce here, we'd like to see bull divs forming on the 15-minute, okay? And we probably want that trigger, the green wave, that green trigger wave on the bull divs to be around the zero line like this one here. You can see price reacted. Doesn't look like we was around any kind of, maybe the daily VWAP. We reclaimed that daily VWAP. We got the trigger wave to the upside after the bull divs, and she got a little move up. Now that's what we would be expecting with the 1 hour backing us if we are coming down to some key levels to potentially bounce. Okay, we're going to be looking for the 15-minute bull divs. Hopefully money flows coming in. We want a 1 hour green dot backing us. We want the 1 hour backing whichever direction we're thinking, and that's on any trades. If you're looking at the 5, 10, 15, you want at least a 1 hour or 2 hour backing you, depending on how long you're planning on staying in that trade. Okay. The 2 hour red dot, yeah guys, I feel like, I mean, we could bounce around this golden pocket, but I would like to see more bull divs on this momentum on Market Cipher B. So I'll probably be waiting. I wouldn't be longing right now. And that last 1 hour candle was absolutely insane. Just big moves up and big moves down. Now you got the blood diamond printing, and she's just dropping as we speak. I'm gonna try to get this video out as quick as possible. Red dot on the daily. See what the weekly is looking like. Weekly money flows coming out. Looks like you could reject off that zero line as well, because right now I'm just expecting more downside. I'm really looking to see whether we're gonna break the range we've been in between 87K and 68K VWAPs, not price, but the VWAPs here. Whenever we decide to break one of these levels, either to the upside or to the downside, we'll have more clear direction whenever she starts opening candles above this 87K VWAP, or she starts opening candles below the 68K low VWAP. Now if she does open candles here, I'm looking to eventually come down to this previous quarter 4 VWAP at 90K. I am looking at 90K. And then once we get to 90K, we're going to have to take a serious look at what's going on. Because if you've been following my channel, then you would know about this low volume profile gap that we have coming in right at 87K. Okay, right here. If we start losing this previous quarter VWAP and we start coming down to 87K and we start opening candles underneath 87K, you can see this is all newly charted territory. There's no trading data here. That's why you have such a low volume over here. Now if we start opening candles in this low volume gap, it's gonna the same way she went up so quickly, she's gonna come down so quickly to 75K. I'm calling it. If we start opening candles under 87K, we're going to 75. Okay, you might get caught at 80, but really that 75, this high volume node, you see where all the volume is at 75, 76K. So that's honestly what I'm looking for on the swing side of things. Gonna be looking at these levels, either the 93.5 or this quarter. Really, I think we've already held support at 92K. You see we've already wicked right down to 92K. So I'll be looking for bull dibs with money flow coming up. And I would like to see the RSIs tight and green on the 1 hour with bull dibs on the 15 minutes confirmed to the upside. We want that general momentum to the upside at these key levels here. And with a bullish sign on the 1 hour to try to catch a little scalp long bounce back to the upside. Now we'll probably just close some profits from the short, open a long, and keep the short open, right? We could just hedge against it. But I don't know if we're gonna hold these levels. I'm honestly eyeing the 93.5 just with such the dramatic, but there's so much volatility right now. We could see this next candle rip us up to 100K. Okay, nothing's guaranteed right now. Just super volatility. Those are the levels I'm watching for. I have got to get ready to go to school, or I'd make this video just a little bit longer. But I hope everyone has a good day. Watch these levels. Look for your bullish momentum or market cipher. And if we're not getting the bullish momentum, then when you get up here to resistance, when you get back to some key levels of resistance without the bullish structure on market cipher, then you know we're going to come back down. We're not going to break. We're not going to break above the resistance. We're just going to come right back down and probably put in lower lows. Okay, but that will do it for me. I will be back later this evening after the VWAP reset. I hope everyone has a good day. God bless all of you, man. That'll do it for me.